Welcome guys, so today I am with Realme GT Neo 3 and I want to show you 5 camera tips. So as you can see at the first we are in the photo mode, and right here I'm going to show you a cool feature. It's about the brightness adjustment. So you can tap on the screen, and when this icon shows, you can just decrease or increase the brightness level by using this slider. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen. Another tip will be about changing color and the temperature. So we have to tap right here, select filters, and as you can see right here we can find a couple of the different filters. With them we can simply adjust the brightness level and also change the color of each preview. Okay, and another tip will be about the better quality. So I can recommend you to take photo with this 50 megapixel mode, because you will get a lot of details. Just take a look. This photo was taken with the normal mode, looks like that, not bad. But when you focus, for example, on this phone keyboard, we cannot spot a lot of details. But just take a look how it looks in this 50 megapixel mode. Yeah, it's... oh my god. What is this? It was terrible. Let me just enter one more time and take a look right here. That's really amazing how many details we can find right here in this 50 megapixel mode. One more time, take a look. That's outstanding actually. Very good details on this additional mode. Okay, so it was the third tip. Another one will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here. So with them we can just take photos like with the normal shutter, but we can also click and hold to take series of the photo. Wait a minute, one more time. Yeah, just like that. And the last tip will be about the zoom feature. So as you can see right here we got the slider, and we can zoom between 0.6x, that's the ultra wide lens, and the 20x, so that's the maximum zoom on this phone. And also you will enable the 2 additional presets of the zoom. Okay, so that's all for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.